Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. But before that, I'm going to tell you a little bit of a story of what happened. So, while I was waiting for the package to be delivered, it's so funny because all of a sudden, the delivery guy actually walked right into their doorstep and just throw the package right in their door, like seriously, and then run away. So that was so strange, but that didn't actually never happen before. So, well, I just really find it odd when he did that one. He's probably aware that I was actually inside the house, but well, anyways, I was surprised that when I look at the package, it was just totally messed up. It was totally like beat up, you know. So I'm gonna show you the package. So this is how it looks like, delivered like that. And let's try to open this. I already opened this one because I was so worried. Yeah. look how the packages look. It was like, seriously, like, I mean, I just saw it in my eyes how he just tossed it like a piece of garbage, you know. Like, well, it doesn't really make sense at all for you know, I don't know, maybe he got pissed that day or whatever. So anyways, let's look at inside. Okay. Yeah. You see the package itself? Well, I was just a little bit concerned. It's because the item that I purchased is a little bit like the leather is a little bit sensitive, and this one has already been sold out. And you know, I mean, I didn't really care if the package got all like beat up, you know, but as long as nothing happened on the inside. And also I was a little bit like, you know, when I ordered this one, I asked the sales associate to have this one wrapped in a gift box. So I'm a little bit lucky in that way, and that helps a little bit of a protection for the item inside. So I just really can't wait to see if, you know, well, anyway, let's open it. Okay. Oh, it was packaged nicely. Okay, here it is. Show you a little bit. This is actually a Willis, a Coach Willis top handle 18 in vermilion color. It's so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh. That's when I was worried. It's because if something happened to this, if this would get damaged, then this is actually sold out online. So I don't know if they could find replacement or anything like that. But let me check. Oh, by looking at it, hardly any damage at all. That is so nice. That is so lovely. It was so funny because this is actually smaller than I thought. You know, I mean, well, I don't know. It's so weird. Oh, well, this is how it looks like in vermilion color. It was so beautiful. I've been wanting to get this one for a long time, but it's always been sold out. So this one actually came available last week, I think, and it's a very limited quantity. As far as I remember, that, you know, if a particular item got sold out and then later on it was available to purchase, I had a feeling that you're actually getting a returned item. But apart from that, looking at it, I'll probably gonna have to inspect this one later just to see if there's any flaws. But anyways, let me just tell you that this particular purse is part of the Coach 1941 collection. No, part of the original collection, and it is really soft. The iconic buttery soft glove tan leather. See that? Genuine gloved hand leather. It is very, very soft. And look at the turn lock. Look at the turn lock closure. That is actually made up of brass. It is so lovely. Let me open it. Oh, look at that. Oh, my favorite of all time. It's the leather lining. It's so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh. Actually, this one is retailed for, if I'm not mistaken, it's $350. And it's just, yeah, I don't remember this one actually went on sale. Maybe the other colors, but this particular color never goes on sale. Actually, I was waiting for this one to go on sale, but well, I'm probably gonna have to wait till it gets sold out. I'm not gonna be able to get a hands of it. But anyways, oh, it's so beautiful, guys. Look at the leather lining. The leather lining is everything to me. Oh my gosh, that is such a wonderful, wonderful, oh my, feature of this bag is the leather lining, guys. It just makes your money worth. When you're buying something and everything is made up of leather, oh, it makes your money worth, guys. This is such a beautiful. Okay, let me just look at this. Another thing that also the reason why I got this one, because you guys know that on my previous unboxing, I love the top handle. Always love the top handle. And also look at the stitching right there. I love the contrast between the stitching and the vermilion color. It's so beautiful, the detailed. Oh my goodness, it's so wonderful. It's actually very well, very well structured bag. This is where you attach the ring, where you attach your strap. And of course, it comes with a detachable strap. Wonderful. And you know me, I love to dress up my bag. And definitely I'm gonna put my chain strap also, because I have a chain strap that is made up of brass, and actually that works perfectly on this. Oh, the detailing for this bag is just so beautiful. Look at right there, it says Coach, and I love that the handle just, you know, move just like that. Okay, this is the hang tag. It's also in vermilion color, but the other side is a different color. So let me just check. Okay, this one actually has a 3 slip pocket. So over here in the front, there's a large one, and then this is the largest right in the middle, and there's a little tiny small slip pocket at the back. And yeah, pretty much at the back also here, there's also one slip pocket where you could put your phone. Actually, let me just try to put my phone here. So I have my iPhone SE. Let me try to put my iPhone SE in here. There's so many stuff. Let me just put my iPhone SE, if this would fit right at the back. Oh, there's so many. Yeah, it actually fits. Perfect. Horizontally, vertically, however you want it. As long as my phone could fit in a bag, that is gonna be perfect for me. But let me just try to put this one inside the purse. Oh, by the way, guys, for size reference, this is my iPhone SE. So this is the size. Pretty much almost like the same size as my iPhone. So I have, okay, at the bottom, see, this is a small bag. So let me just try to put this one inside, see if this one fits. I had a feeling that it's not gonna fit because of, oh yeah, that's fit. Yeah, that's the reason why I got this iPhone SE. I upgraded my phone, my personal phone, to the iPhone SE so I could use in all of my small purses. So that's the only reason why. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly. So let me just get the iPhone, the bigger phones that we have now, see if that would fit as well, just for the size reference. So this is the iPhone 7 Plus. So for size reference, it's almost like a, yeah, that's how it looks like. Let me just put this one inside, see if it fits. Yeah, it fits though. Yeah, it fits fine. I think it's fine. But you're just gonna have to put it at the back of it. Yeah, it's kind of, yeah, it's snug though. Yeah. It is very, very tight. At the front, let's see at the front. No, it wouldn't. Let me see at the back. Let me see at the back. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do that. As long as my iPhone SE fits, I am good to go. And the color is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I almost missed an opportunity to own this bag. I'm so happy that they are back. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's so beautiful. And yeah, these are actually sold out completely. And I ordered another color, a different color. And hopefully they'll be able to process that one as well. So, well, yeah, that's how it looks like. It's beautiful. Such a beautiful, beautiful summer color. It's orange. Like that. The brass hardware is so beautiful. So, yeah, despite of what had happened with the box got damaged, everything is actually, it's perfect. Nothing happened in the bag, no dent or anything like that. So that is a good thing. And hopefully, like, you know, well, some of this courier actually did not really like treat your package nicely. I mean, that package was treated poorly, guys. It was just so terrible. It was just like, toss it just like that. I mean, that really like, that makes me angry thinking of it. Like, you know, I mean, this is not, I mean, I don't know if they have an idea if what's inside, knowing that this is actually, yeah, $350, and they just toss that package or whatever, you know. I don't normally like complain for anything, but well, I have several experience in the past worse than this. You know, the package arrived and nothing is inside. They just gave you a box with just completely empty inside. And sometimes it's like the outer packaging, it's like it's completely a mess. It was all dirty. It was just like, I don't know, it's just so crazy. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I got my Willis 18 part of the original collections, and I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!